Welcome to Bestsellers Market, where we dive deep into the top-rated products that are making waves on Amazon. Today, we're counting down the best-selling motion detectors, those vigilant guardians that stand watch over your home, business, or outdoor space. These devices are the unsung heroes of security, blending technology and practicality to keep you safe and sound. From advanced sensors to seamless installations, we've gathered the top contenders that have earned their place in the spotlight. So, without hesitation, let's get started and explore the cutting-edge motion detectors that are topping the charts. Let's go. On to the matter at hand. The One Bioni driveway alarm isn't just another motion detector, it's your silent sentinel, keeping watch with precision and versatility. Imagine the peace of mind that comes from knowing every corner of your property is under a vigilant eye, day or night, rain or shine. This system uses passive infrared technology to detect the heat and movement of cars, people, and even wandering pets from up to 24 feet away. And with a remarkable wireless transmission range of up to 1,000 feet, this system acts like a long-range doorbell for your home or business. Whether it's the driveway, front porch, or a shed tucked away in your backyard, nothing escapes its watchful gaze. Customization is the name of the game here. With 36 chimes and doorbell sounds to choose from, paired with 3 alert options, sound, LED flash, or both, you can tailor the alerts to suit your needs perfectly. Whether you want a subtle sound or a bold alarm, the choice is yours. This isn't just a tool, it's a fully customizable security system. Installation: easier than you might think. The plug-and-play sensors can be set up in minutes, and the system is expandable, allowing you to pair up to 5 sensors for comprehensive coverage. From fence posts to trees, you can mount these weatherproof sensors wherever you need them, fortifying your home's defenses effortlessly. And should you ever need assistance, rest easy knowing that One Bioni has you covered with a 24-month support window. The package comes complete with everything you need to get started right out of the box, so you can feel secure from the moment you set it up. In a world where security is paramount, the One Bioni driveway alarm stands out as a reliable guardian, alerting you to movement before it even reaches your door. A wise investment for anyone looking to bolster their home or business security. Let's jump to the exciting stuff. Coming in at number 4 on our countdown is the eMACROS 1/2 mile long-range solar wireless driveway alarm, an outdoor motion detector that redefines what it means to keep your property secure. This system isn't just about detecting movement, it's about doing so with a precision and reliability that's second to none. Picture this: a driveway alarm that effortlessly covers a distance of up to 1,500 feet, even through thick trees, walls, and adverse weather conditions. This isn't just tech, it's technology that adapts to your environment, no matter how challenging. What sets the eMACROS system apart? Solar power. Say goodbye to the hassle of constantly replacing batteries. With its solar-powered sensor, this device charges itself, ensuring continuous operation without a single hitch. Rain or shine, your security is in good hands. Now let's talk about installation. With a quick start guide that gets you up and running in minutes, this system offers an ease of setup that's hard to beat. And with the ability to expand up to 4 sensors and unlimited receivers, you can create a security network that's as comprehensive as you need it to be. Each sensor can be assigned a unique chime, allowing you to instantly know where the motion is detected on your property. But it's not just about range and power, it's about reliability. The eMACROS system has been rigorously tested through all sorts of weather conditions: hail, wind, heavy rain, and even snow. And with adjustable sensitivity, you can fine-tune the detection range from 20 to 30 feet, minimizing false alarms and ensuring that you only get notified when it truly matters. In a world where security systems often promise more than they deliver, the eMACROS 1/2 mile long-range solar wireless driveway alarm stands out as a beacon of dependability. Whether it's monitoring for intruders or keeping track of vehicles and large animals, this system does it all with a level of excellence that's hard to match. It's more than just a motion detector. It's a fortress in disguise, ready to guard your property with unwavering vigilance. Let's dive in. At number 3, we have the driveway alarm, a powerhouse in motion detection that's as versatile as it is reliable. This isn't just a motion sensor, it's your all-weather, all-season sentry, guarding your property with a level of vigilance that's hard to beat. Imagine a motion sensor that works flawlessly from -30 to 150 degrees Fahrenheit. Whether it's a frigid winter night or a scorching summer day, this device is always on duty. It's perfect for monitoring a wide range of areas, from driveways and front porches to gates, pools, garages and sheds. Whether you're protecting your home, business or office, this sensor is your steadfast ally. Now, let's talk range, both in detection and transmission. With a remarkable wireless transmission range of up to half a mile, this system ensures you stay connected to your property, even if it's sprawling. Thanks to advanced wireless transmission technology, interference is minimized, so you get reliable alerts without any static from other devices. But it's not just about reaching far, it's about seeing far too. The motion sensor has a detection range of up to 50 feet with 2 adjustable sensitivity settings. Whether it's a car rolling in or someone approaching your front door, this sensor detects movement with precision. And the best part? It's smart enough to reduce false alarms, so no more getting spooked by falling leaves or small animals darting by. Installation is a breeze, truly plug and play. Power up the sensor with a few AA batteries, plug in the receiver, and you're good to go. The system comes pre-programmed, so all you have to do is place the sensors where you need them, and your property is instantly more secure. But it doesn't stop there. This system is fully expandable, allowing you to connect up to 32 sensors and unlimited receivers. Customize your alerts with 35 different melodies and 4 volume levels. Differentiate between areas with distinct chimes, so you always know exactly where motion is being detected. In a world where security is paramount, the driveway alarm stands tall as a robust, easy-to-use solution for both indoor and outdoor protection. With its impressive range, reliable performance and user-friendly setup, this system doesn't just meet your security needs, it exceeds them. Are you enjoying the countdown of the best-selling motion detectors on Amazon? If so, make sure to keep the motion going by liking, subscribing and pressing the bell icon, so you'll always be alerted to our latest videos. Let's get straight to the point. At number 2, we have the Ring Alarm Motion Detector, a device that seamlessly blends advanced technology with simplicity to offer you peace of mind and enhance security. Imagine this, a motion detector that not only alerts you instantly via mobile when something moves, but is also smart enough to differentiate between an intruder and your beloved pet. That's right. This device is designed with advanced motion sensitivity, capable of ignoring pets when mounted at just the right height, ensuring you only get notified when it really matters. But there's more. The Ring Alarm Motion Detector is compact, allowing you to place it just about anywhere in your home. Whether it's in the corner of a room or flat against a wall, this device adapts to your space without sticking out like a sore thumb. It's smaller, sleeker, and offers more placement options than ever before. Installation couldn't be easier. No tools are required, just mount it and you're done. Powered by 2 AA batteries, this device is as easy to maintain as it is to install. And with the Ring Alarm base station, you have a complete interconnected security ecosystem at your fingertips. When motion is detected, the alert goes straight to your mobile device, but here's the kicker. You'll need a Ring Protect subscription to unlock this feature. A small investment for the peace of mind that comes with knowing your home is being monitored by a top-tier security system. In an era where security can't be left to chance, the Ring Alarm Motion Detector stands out for its advanced features, effortless installation, and sleek design. It's not just a motion detector, it's a critical component of a modern, smart home security solution. Without any further delay, the #1 best-selling motion detector on Amazon, standing head and shoulders above the rest, is the Driveway Alarm 1/2 mile long-range wireless system. This isn't just a motion detector, it's a fortress for your property, meticulously designed to monitor and protect with unparalleled precision. Versatility is the name of the game with this system. Whether it's your driveway, front porch, gate, or even your pool, this weather-resistant sensor keeps a watchful eye on every corner of your property, indoors and out. Come rain, snow, or blistering heat, this device is engineered to function flawlessly across a wide temperature range, from a bone-chilling -30 degrees to a sweltering 150 degrees Fahrenheit. But it's not just about enduring the elements, it's about reaching far and wide. With a wireless transmission range of up to half a mile, this system ensures that even the largest perimeters are well within its protective grasp. And thanks to advanced wireless transmission technology, signal interference is a thing of the past. Your alerts will be as clear as day, every time. Now, let's talk detection. With a wide motion detection range of up to 50 feet, this sensor doesn't miss a beat. Whether it's a car pulling into the driveway or someone approaching the front door, this system catches it all. And with adjustable sensitivity settings, you can fine-tune it to your environment, minimizing false alarms from things like falling leaves or small critters scurrying by. Installation is a breeze. No technical expertise required. Just power up the motion sensor with a few AA batteries, plug in the receiver, and you're set. The system is pre-programmed, so you can have it up and running in minutes, whether you're mounting it to walls, trees, or fence posts. And here's the kicker. This system is fully expandable. The included plug-in receiver and 2 motion sensors are just the beginning. You can scale up to 32 sensors and unlimited receivers, customizing the coverage and alerts to fit your unique needs. With 35 different melodies and 4 volume levels to choose from, you'll always know exactly where motion is being detected on your property. In a world where security is non-negotiable, the driveway alarm. 1/2 mile long-range wireless system doesn't just meet expectations, it exceeds them, delivering a level of protection and peace of mind that's simply unmatched. The #1 choice for those who refuse to compromise on their security. We hope you enjoyed the countdown of Amazon's best-selling motion detectors. To stay in the loop with all the top products, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. And be sure to check the pinned comment for links to all the bestsellers we covered today. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.